Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to Like Mother Like Daughter. I'm Twyla, and let's continue on with our subscription boxes, shall we? We have one more dog subscription box from Pet Treater. So this is the February box for Pet Treater. It is a dog subscription box. It is I would say it's a subscription box for you and your dog, because they do put something in here that is for the human. Pet Treater is $24.99 a month. It includes treats and toys for your dog as well as a gift for the human. And Pet Treater does send this box to us for review purposes. We have lots of dogs on the farm here, and they love these Pet Treater boxes. Okay, so here's what's in the box for February. Doesn't seem to be as much in here, but maybe it's just smaller. This is a box that's designed around the size of your dog: small, medium, large, extra large. So it's not designed for the age of your dog, but the size of your dog. Like I said earlier, this has toys and treats. It's not just toys and treats. It includes things to take care of your dog. So you'll find sometimes in here that they have lifestyle amenities for you to take care of your dog. And this is one of them. This is a massaging pin brush with natural bamboo. It says it gently untangles and smooths fur. And so it's got the little pin brush here, and then these rolling little bamboo wooden things to help smooth out their coat as you roll it on. That feels good. Well, double duty tool here. You use it on yourself as well. That's nice. Okay, the next thing in here is from All for Paws. It is a barbecue griller. It is a rubber crunch bone. Crackling bottle sound. That's interesting. Oh, I can't read any of this stuff on here. It's too small, but it is a beef flavor, and it is a rubber bone. So I guess it sounds like a bottle crunching when you chew on it. I don't know, but that's pretty neat. Dogs are going to love that. The next thing in here says it is from Pet Treater for the human. Isn't that cute? I'm covering up my face all the time. I apologize. Not that you really need to see my face, but this is for the human, and this is hot and cold. Yeah, it's for hot and cold drinks. So BPA free, do not microwave, dishwasher safe, and used for hot and cold drinks. So here is so it is a screw-on little handle. Nice little water bottle for the human. There is, for the month of February, from Emmy's Treats, we have a Love Dogbone. That is so cute. The dogs really love all of the treats that they send from Emmy's Treats.com. Emmy's Treats is organic dog treats. Then we have a Squeaker. We have a Squeaker Dragon. This is a GoDog chew guard made tough. And so it's got one squeaker. Cute little dragon. We also have in here a scarf. One side says Romeo. The other side says Juliet, and it's hearts. That's really cute. And the last thing we have in here are dog treats. And this is Polka Dog Treats Wonder Nuggets with peanut butter. And you can see, I don't need to open it up and show you, you can see right there, there's a Best By date on it. Nice little treats that you can stick in a toy for them to try to work it out, or just for teaching them manners. Sometimes the dogs forget their manners. And then the last thing in here is from the Dog Whisperer. These are all natural, healthy beef lung bites. And you can see they're small treats too. So made in the USA as well. So that was a pretty good box. It doesn't seem to be, I don't know if it's just because the box seems bigger. I think the box is actually bigger. I think they got new boxes, because I feel like we usually get more items in here. There they are. And the dogs really love this box from Pet Treater, and I really do too. They always love the treats, and they always love the toys. You only pay $24.99 for your box for Pet Treater, and you get way more value out of it than that. So these are designed for any dog in your family, from the little bitty tiny dogs all up to the huge dogs. So it doesn't matter the size of your dog, they're going to enjoy this pet subscription box. Also, they have a cat pack now. I think the cat pack is like $12.99. So we don't have cats around here, but if you do and that's something that you like, check them out. They also have a cat pack. So I will link all their information down below. We don't have a coupon code with Pet Treater. Do have a referral link if you're interested in that, but you don't have to use a referral link. Just go to pettreater.com and you can sign up there. Thanks so much for coming and hanging out with me while I unbox all of these boxes today. I really appreciate it. Everybody, come back and see us again. Mwah.